What is up, guys? This is Patrick with Memkin Outdoors, and it is 2 o'clock in the morning. Super early. The reason it's super early is we're going to the rainy. We're headed up to the Rainy River. Gotta go catch us some walleyes. Hopefully it should be a good day. Weather should be pretty nice for it. It's gonna be kind of overcast, which is perfect day for the walleyes. So stay tuned. In about 4 hours we will be there and we will start catching walleyes, and it'll be a good old blast. What do you say, Trevor? Should we get her done?
We're gonna try, man. We're gonna try. Yesterday was pretty good.
Stay tuned, guys. Well, we are just about there. Just had to stop to get some gas. We're gonna be waiting in line a little bit. There's a decent number of boats out today. We're gonna get the old Crestliner Fish Hawk out. Should be a good old time. Should be in the water within half an hour. Stay tuned. And one more boat, and we can finally go in.
Oh, we're gonna get her all moist.
We're gonna get the boat all wet. Won't be long now, and those walleyes will be in the boat. Pulling our lines, maybe catch a sturgeon or two. Woohoo! Hey, Trevor, we made it.
Attaboy, let's start fishing, old son.
Get some hooks on, start fishing. There we go.
See what she does, buddy.
I had to freaking cast it on these and
What fishing does today.
Right. Need that. Yeah. Whew. That is a nice one, Trevor. Oh,
That's okay. 25 maybe.
Nice. It's a nice old fish right there. Hold her up. Look at that. That's a nice fish. Yes, sir. See that right there. Oh, your eyes are closed. You just had blinked. What do you think? Good? Oh, look at that. Got a sturgeon.
That's the first time I've seen that. What's that? Sturgeon like that.
There you go, sir.
The lake or take it?
That's cool. Sturgeon.
You gotta let him hold him. He's got spikes on him. He's stab you, Dad. Careful.
That is cool. some weight. There we go. Thank you, buddy. Woohoo! First walleye of the day, decent. Thank you. Oh yeah. Nice walleye right there. Probably 24, would you say, Trevor?
22, 23. That might actually be 24. Somewhere in there.
Oh wow. Yeah. Big sturgeon. Oh yeah.
Take this. I'm not going to.
Do you need help?
Nope, we'll just get this rod out of the way.
Okay.
Because once it comes in here, it's going to be a mess. He's just dead. I'll you grab him if you won't let you come to. Got him.
Look at that.
Finally, let's go. Look at the river. 54 inches roughly.
54.
54 inches.
Nice.
Like 47, you said?
You want to take a picture of them? Oh, yeah. Do you want me to help you hold this, or you think you can hold them?
Carry me, Rod.
I'll let you try to hold it by yourself.
How do I hold
I'm gonna.
I got a pike.
You
I
just
got a
take
pike
your
hold.
arms like this. I'll set them in your hand. You're fine. I'll set them in your hand, but you got that camera ready just in case it flops. Good.
For sure, I'll get it on video. So.
Fucking hold it like this. I'm slimy.
And just like that, he's gone.
Look at that, guys. That's awesome. Give me the knocks.
Boy, Z man.
Heck yeah.
Go.
I do actually.
Dude,
I caught that
what?
fucker. I snagged it. Lift up that motor.
Doesn't it need to be on for that still?
How a sturgeon should I cover it up?
Try to get mine out of there. Well, Trev Boy got himself a sturgeon now.
Pulling, man. I wish I had a rod right now. My musky rod, I could put my back into it. Everything I got to hold them. Holy shit. Oh. Jesus Christ, Trevor. Oh shit. That's a good sized fucking sturgeon here.
Wow.
Wow.
That's
God
nice.
Damn, man.
Way to go, Trevor. You might want to weigh that one.
Holy shit. Wow. That's a big fucker.
He's doing ab workouts. Let's see what we get for a weight.
Yeah, I can't carry that. Where does that tail go to, buddy?
Back to about right there.
Sorry, bud.
You're good.
What do we got?
58.
58.
Wow. That is a monster. You think you can hold her up?
Yeah, here, you want to take a picture before my phone dies?
Get that.
And I'll also get one on
Get
this.
that.
Got that one. Cool.
Yep.
They just love sturgeon there.
Just trying to get one up and down.
Look at that, dude. That's right there.
Oh, fuck.
All right, well, that's a sign that we're all done here. We're gonna be heading her home. Overall, it was a good day, wouldn't you say, Trevor?
Yeah, it's better than work. That's why they call her
any
fish.
day.
That's why they call her fish and not shopping. Hey.
Hey, we all caught some fish. Got 2 sturgeon, probably what, 10 walleye overall? A little over.
Probably
Mike
15.
probably caught 10 himself.
So we probably got 15
So yeah,
of them.
15 walleye, 3 sturgeon actually. So overall, that's a pretty good day, man.
Can't
complain about
yeah,
that.
it's a good Saturday. Beautiful
Right?
day on the water.
Well, thank you guys for watching. And again, this is Patrick with Memkin Outdoors. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you have anything you want to say. I will always reply to those. And until next time, again, I'm Patrick with Memkin Outdoors, signing off.